When Grandpa gives you a toolbox. You wanted a special house for your dogs. Look what he's got. But surprise! It's a toolbox! What should you do when Grandpa gives you a toolbox for your birthday? First, be patient. Grandpa would want to show you every single tool. He's explained every single bit of tool. Next, compliment Grandpa as he shares photos of all the projects he's built since he was a kid. When Grandpa was young, he was like that. Once Grandpa runs out of stories, give him a hug. Say thanks and tell him you're off to find a special place to keep your toolbox. He's hugging his grandpa. Do not launch it into outer space. Feed it to a T-Rex or tie it to a wrecking ball. There are plenty of hiding spots right in your own backyard. It will be easy to forget about Grandpa's toolbox until you meet someone in need and have an idea. Maybe Grandpa's toolbox will be useful just this one time. Just this one time, he thought. As a new builder, you will want to find an experienced project manager to help you get started. That's him. Together, you will create a plan and gear up. Safety first. Put on goggles. With guidance and lots of practice, you will discover that you're actually quite handy. He's an expert. Your neighbor won't complain about the noise, though she'll ask for help with repairs. You'll repair it and recommend you to all her friends. At the end of the day, they'll offer to pay you. But you'll have an even better idea. You and Grandpa will work together measuring and sawing, drilling and hammering, gluing and painting, until finally you will build exactly what you wanted. Wow. A special house for your dogs! Wow, looks amazing! Do you remember the first page? He wanted a special house for his dogs. Now he got his own house made by him and Grandpa. And plans for your next project too. His friends have their amazing ideas. Treehouse plan, slide swing, 40 by ABD. Wow, looks cool. What should you do when Grandpa gives you a toolbox for your birthday? It's a good story, the end.